Hello! Magandang araw po. Now, ituturo ko sa inyo ang paraan kung paano gumawa ng bulaklak. Ito po ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon. Steps in making soap flowers without using a molder. Yan. First step. Step 1 is cut the soap with a slicer and make it a thin slice. Okay, number 1. Cut the soap with a slicer. Ito po ang slicer natin. Gumamit po tayo ng colored para makita nyo. Since ang gagawin ko po ay white, for the sake of, para makita nyo mabuti kung paano ang pag-slice. Ayan po. Huwag nyo po masyadong diinan sapagkat malambot ang sabon, madideform po siya or baka matamaan ang kamay nyo. Ayan. Nakikita nyo po, lumalabas. Ayan. Ayan po. Kita nyo? Yan ang thin slice. Kukuhanin natin siya. Ganyan siya kanipis. Parang papel. Ayan. Matapos po nating ma-slice, ay pumunta naman po tayo sa step number 2. Arrange the slices to make it look like the petals of a flower. Okay. At this time, we are going to use the pet bottle neck. Cut the pet bottle near the neck and then use it as a holder. Holder po natin to. Ito. Yan. So, first of all, kunin po natin yung mga thin slices. Lagay po natin sa gitna. Yan. Then, after that, i-arrange po natin ang mga slices just to look like petals of a flower. Yan. Dapat pala colored din ang aking ginupit na petals. Kikita ba nyo? Parang malabo. Ano? Kita ba? Yan. Then add petals depending on the size and the thickness of the flower you like. So you can add more petals like this. Then, kung nakuha na po natin ang the first part of how to make flowers without a molder, then push it out from this holder, from this part. Okay, push it out so that you can get the flower easily. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, ito ang magiging itsura ng first. Then, mold it like this, slowly, with your hands. Then, slightly bend the petals one by one so that it will look like a natural petal of a flower. Look at this. Okay. Then, now again, put it on your holder and make another one, the middle part of the flower. The middle part. So we will cut again slices to add more. Put on the middle part of the flower. Okay. Another one. Put on the middle so that it will look like a big open flower. A bloomed flower. Like a bloomed flower. What kind of flower is this? It's up to you what kind of flower you want to make. So, look, it looks like a flower already. Then, get another slice. Another slice. And let us make okay. Now, let's use a cutter. Cut a small part of the soap and then make it like a ball. Make a ball out of it. Using your hands, make a ball. Then, like this. Okay. Then, put it on the middle of the flower. Okay. Now, let's go to number 3. Step number 3. Push out the flower and attach it to the wire. Okay. Push out the flower. Okay. Here, again, we push it out. Okay. And you have now look at my flower. I do not use any molder yet. Where is my wire? Okay, here is the wire. Just a moment. Where is my wire? Ah, here. Okay. Okay, this one. Then, on this part, okay. Okay. And this will be your flower. Okay, look at this. Look at this flower. So, very easy. Okay, so just press a little bit so that the leaves will be attached to the soap flowers, the petals of the flowers, and it will be strongly attached there. It will not fall already. Okay, come on, look. This is the soap flower making without using a molder, only by your hands. And after that, put the finishing touches. Just bend or bend a little bit the petals so that it will shape into a flower you like. And that is my soap flower making without using a molder. Now, let us add this flower to the pre-arranged. Okay, now here is the pre-arranged basket of flowers. Where are we going to put this one? Okay, look. Add it here. Okay, look. How will it look like? And this will be the finishing touches of your basket of flower. Okay, here. So with the use of a long nose plier, you can push the flowers down a little deeper so that it will be strongly attached to the base. Like this. Okay. And that is how to make a soap flower without using a holder. Now let's check the steps in making soap flowers without using a molder. Number 1. Step 1. Cut the soap with a slicer. Make it a thin slice. Step 2. Arrange the slices to make it look like petals of a flower. Step 3. Push out the flower and attach it to the wire. Use the pet bottle neck as a holder of the petals. Those are the steps in making a soap flower. So why not try it now? It's fun. Go!